Do you have a 2011-16 Ford Super Duty with a ticking time bomb that is your charge air cooler pipe? It's going to explode if you don't disarm it immediately. Let me show you how. Replace that factory fragile plastic intercooler piping that is prone to failure from bursting due to high temperature and pressure cycling with BD's steel piping and high pressure multi-layer silicone boots. Let's take a look at your factory plastic one again. Here we have this plastic lower pipe section. It's made of just thin plastic here, and it's prone to failure from the high pressures. It'll burst in this section, as well as this layer here where they've basically glued the two pieces together is known to separate. For the upper portion of the pipe, we also have seen failures in this upper glued section where they take those two pieces of plastic, glue them together. It's just nowhere near as strong as the high strength steel we have in our BD kit. So here we have BD's high strength steel pipe with a nice textured black powder coat finish. And inside we have mounted a sensor mount for you, close to the factory location, easy to install your sensor, make sure everything's working right. We also have multi-layer silicone boots. The lower one has that feature built into it to mount directly to your intercooler and seal up just right. We also have high pressure clamps for all of your boot connections to make sure it can handle that high pressure you're making with your boosted applications. And this is the billet throttle adapter made to fit perfectly with your Ford truck. It even comes with a factory clip, fits in the exact spot, fits just right. The stock CAC pipes have a notorious reputation for bursting under high loads, maybe when pulling a trailer, trying to go camping with your family in the middle of the hot summer. All of a sudden, boom, pipe's gonna blow, left stranded on the side of the road, waiting for a tow, not a good time. This here is a preventative measure as well as a nice fitting piece, looks good under your hood, keeps you on the road, camping, towing, whatever you need. You can check this kit out online at bddiesel.com.